Welcome to 1208 Edward in Lansing, Michigan. This home features a 1-year home warranty for your peace of mind. This is a 3-bedroom Cape Cod with a 2-car garage. The roof shingles were new in 2016. Notice the hardwood flooring and the rounded archways. You will love the open floor plan from the living room to the family room. The family room with a slider to the deck. Notice the updated and tidy kitchen with stainless steel appliances that will remain. The living room is spacious and offers a ceiling fan, hardwood flooring, and a picture window. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor and 1 up. The washer and dryer will remain. This home is in a nice location for easy travel to downtown, MSU, and highways for commuters. Remember, this home features a 1-year home warranty for your peace of mind. Arrange for your private showing today.